How dare you?
This is your last month of regular weather. It's a long day.
Regular weather.
Start eating.
Oh.
I get some. Oh my, I do not even want to speak about it.
Hey!
Hey! Please stop eating! Whatever, Spoon! Hey, you guys! You need to record and put back in your bag. Okay? So the food that you just recorded, you're going to put back in the big bag.
Okay. But I got 8. Oh yeah, I have a few members in this family. Okay, you need to throw these members in the bag.
Don't forget 64 members. What are you talking about?
You be quiet, Daphne.
Wait, you're supposed to.
Yeah. Oh wait, 4.
Oh, yeah.
However many you get is what you put in your thing. John, I'm feeling you're gonna die too. Dude, I'm gonna die too. I'm gonna die too. Is there some?
Oh, yeah?
I just started
Hurry, stop it.
During winter, there's
Daphne's the best at shacking food.
Can I stop it?
Yeah, stop it.
Cut it.